Hello everybody, welcome back. Today is a big day for the Coachman. Today's the day it gets the new windshields put in it. The guy texted me yesterday. Oh, today is, while I'm recording this, is the last day of 2024. December 31st. Hey, you probably see this next day or two. Happy New Year's. I wish everybody to have a great new year ahead of us all. Let's hope. Guy texted me and said, I don't know, over the Christmas holiday, yeah, all the stuff was approved, the insurance claim, all this. They found the windshields in Oregon. They're shipped down here to Phoenix, and they delivered them. They came back from Phoenix. They got done with their Christmas break. They drove back from Phoenix back here to the Quartzsite area with 2 new windshields. So he said, how's about 10 o'clock tomorrow morning sound? Which is now. He texted me a little bit. They had to go fix a little crack, a little chipped windshield somewhere down here in La Posa South, one of the LTVA areas. So they're probably just over here somewhere. He texted me, says that we'll be over about 20 minutes. So anyway, they're gonna have this new windshields today. Tell Belle's all excited. Huh? What do you think, girl? What do you think? Good girl. So I think what they'll do is, well, when they came before, they were in a van. I'm not sure if they're going to bring the van or a pickup truck. When they did the windshields on the Bounder, they came in a pickup truck, and they backed the pickup up, and they dropped the tailgate, and they used the tailgate as like scaffolding, you know, to make a nice working height. They yank them old windshields out of there. They put a big suction cup on it, and they loosened up some of the trim, and big suction cup. They pull so hard it cracks it, which is, I mean, it's okay. There's no, they're done. They got these big old cracks in it. So anyway, yep, new glass here today. Well, they're here. I was wrong. I was thinking it was a pickup truck, but yeah, this is their work platform here. Nice work height. My new windshields are up there somewhere. Ooh, not that. There's one long one, and then we have 2 shorter ones. That's gonna be the Coachman windshields. Nice. Almost forgot. I should probably at least take this camera that I never use off of here. Not even sure which way it goes. Oh, like that. That's some good adhesive. I might let them go ahead and just pull it. Oh wait, here it comes. There we go. Get new adhesive for it one of these days. I don't even use this hardly. I don't know what, I mean, that's how quick they are at it. I don't even know what he grabbed, but it was like a rubber rope. Just pulled the whole thing out in a matter of seconds. This is gonna go pretty damn quick. And they'll do one side at a time. Have that one out and the new one in before they'll disturb that one. Because a lot of these RVs, this whole roof is just it's partly supported by that glass. Some are self-supporting, and other ones, if you were to take both pieces out, that whole fiberglass top would sag down. So I know they do one side at a time. Yeah, look at that. It's got put a suction cup on there. Yank it on it. It's coming. I think the ones in the Bounder were just so, I don't know if they're so stubborn or what, but you yanked and broke as they come out.
A lot of times they do break when you come out. This one seems to be doing all right though. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna break this one. You ready?
Boy.
Let's see. I guess we'll do this.
Well, just think that'd be a lot of air going through there driving it like that.
Yeah,
huh?
you're gonna.
That'd be a.
You know, your motorcycle. Yeah, it's the new high definition ones we sell.
Yeah. Wow. Look at that. He's even vacuuming out, you know, that real difficult, hard to reach area up front of your dashboard while the glass is out. That's an easy time to kind of, he's in there wiping it and gathering up little bits and pieces, vacuuming it all out. I'm gonna let that guys work a couple of minutes. They're sort of our friendly fellows. I admit we get to talking, and then I'm holding them up from getting the job done. So I'm gonna step away a little bit. Yeah, we had some burgers out yesterday. Like grill some chicken on a little gas grill, and I anchored the awning to the front of the car. The winds have been just kind of blowing. I can see some flags off in the distance, just kind of a gentle winds or whatever. But the awning, it's just enough wind to make it kind of move a little bit, and it makes this little irritating bang bang bang, this weird noise. And I thought, let me just put a little bit of tension on. Now, I don't have it pulled down. That's not that much tension on there. I have it intentionally adjusted that way, downhill, just because to get a little bit more shade here. So I have this thing kind of a little bit lower, and then I just put that on there, and just a click or two, just to put a little bit of tension on it. So yeah, I didn't crank that down like that with the, probably that'd ruin it probably. So yeah, hanging out here a little bit today, and just happy to be getting some new glass in the front of the Coachman. That makes me happy. Getting there. Brand new glass. Nice. It's actually looks like it might have a little bit more tint to it than the original. Or is that my imagination?
I don't know, hard to say.
It's definitely faded, you can see down here on this one.
Quite a few years since these original ones were made, so there might be a difference.
Look at the difference in these. Maybe we'll see better from inside actually. How nice this is gonna be. I might have to try to keep them a little bit cleaner now.
We'll clean them up now for you.
I had a hard time, you know, with all the damage. Like, why clean them?
Yeah, they get so pitted after a while too, and it's like they just don't come clean because they're.
Yeah, clean it, and it's like this. Yes, yeah, it's like it's sandblast. Yeah, here's a road dirt and stuff are like sandblasted. And they still have like a haze, a little bit of a haze to them.
Yeah. Oh, I love being new windshield.
Yeah.
Honestly.
There we go. The other one's out.
You got that?
That one did crack a little bit coming out. What a coincidence that it happened to crack. The other crack went that way. So pulling it, the crack went that way, and just happened to go directly through that stone chip. And kind of coincidence, right?
Or that's just a weak point.
Yeah.
It might have just went from that chip to there, even.
Yeah.
From us pulling on it.
Oh yeah, yeah.
That's hard to say.
Yeah.
I think the glass is still really inconsistent.
Yeah, that full crack happened, yeah, when I was pulling on it
Just now.
Not near as bad as what happened when doing the bounder.
No.
That one really.
No, you know why? 'Cause
that was stubborn coming out. And
I'm
it was
gonna say because somebody really glued those in, like what we're gonna do here.
Yeah.
These ones luckily aren't very glued in, so that makes it easy for us. But...
glass there.
Bella came up front. She said, "What's going on up here? Got a brand new windshield for you to put your nose marks on." These guys do a nice job. They'll once they get all done, everything they clean the glass all real nice inside and out. They get any fingerprints or excess glue and stuff. So they clean them all up nice before they leave. Bella Bella. This hole's all been cleaned out and there's new glue in it. Gonna glue that all back in and put the new glass in it, and it will actually get some kind of glue as well. There it is, the second one. Second one's going in. He's gonna work the gasket all around. Wow, no stone chips, no cracks, no fogging around different corners of it. Wow. Huh. Well, they just finished up and they're putting their tools away. Brand new glass. I'm quite happy with that. They come down to Quartzsite every year, so if you got if you travel down here this time of year and got a stone chip or need a complete replacement, give these guys a call. All right, that's it. The deed is done. I am happy. Finally, we have new windshields in the coachman. Been a long time coming. That one windshield's been cracked for a little while, we'll say.